budgies are a beloved pet in Japan, where they are known as inko. The Japanese love for budgies can be traced back to the early 20th century, when the first budgies were imported from Europe and Australia. In addition to being kept as pets, budgies are also featured in Japanese art and culture and are often seen in anime, manga, and video games.
俺たちが必ずフータの家を見つけるからね。
Budgies have even been the subject of their own theme cafes, where patrons can enjoy a cup of tea while watching the birds play. The popularity of budgies in Japan can be attributed to their cute and friendly demeanor, as well as their ability to bring joy and happiness into people's lives. Today, budgies continue to be a much-loved pet in Japan and are enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Meet the Hagoromo, or as they're known in Japan, the helicopter budgies. These show budgies have become a cherished tradition in aviculture, carefully bred and protected by enthusiasts for decades.